Unraveling the Mystery. The meaning of take the mickey out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing phrase, take the mickey out. This expression is a gem in British English, often leaving learners puzzled about its meaning and usage. So, grab a cup of tea, and let's unravel this mystery together. Take the mickey out is a quintessentially British phrase that means to tease or mock someone in a light-hearted manner. It's all about poking fun at someone without the intention of causing offense. Think of it as a friendly jest among friends, where the aim is to amuse rather than to hurt. This expression is often used in casual conversations and is a part of playful banter. The origins of take the mickey out are somewhat murky, but it's widely believed to be Cockney rhyming slang. Rhyming slang is a creative linguistic twist where words are replaced with phrases that rhyme with them, often followed by a trimming of the rhyming word. Mickey Bliss is thought to be the original rhyme for piss, leading to take the mickey as a way to say taking the piss out of someone, which means mocking them. Over time, the phrase has evolved to be less crude but has retained its playful connotation. When using take the mickey out, it's crucial to gauge the context and the company you're in. It's perfect for a light-hearted, humorous setting among friends but might be inappropriate in formal situations. Here's an example to illustrate its use. Correct use: are you taking the mickey out of my new haircut? I thought it looked quite smart. This usage shows the phrase in action, highlighting a friendly jab at someone's appearance in a humorous context. Inappropriate use: in a job interview or a formal meeting, joking in this manner might be considered unprofessional. And there we have it, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on the playful and uniquely British expression, take the mickey out. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your English vocabulary but also brings you closer to the cultural nuances that make language learning so rewarding. Until next time, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to add a bit of humor to your conversations. Cheers!